What should be the course of action of an investor when the market is at an all-time high? Industry expert Mr. Sandeep will share his thoughts with you now.
Markets will remain all-time high. It's basically, instead of saying all-time highs, we should be saying till date high. So market was high in 2000 also, market was high at 2007 also. Today also the markets are at high. So being at the sidelines, we will not be able to generate returns. So it's being said, I think, staying in the market is more important than timing the market. So markets are high. We know that markets are high. But if you are holding it, waiting for the correction, you never know. People have been waiting for the correction since 50,000 stock levels, Sensex level. The correction has not been there. So I think if you have a fairly time long duration, then these levels don't matter. It's important to be in the market, and there could be corrections. I don't say that there may not be corrections. If you look at the history of the markets, every 7-8 years there is a correction which is in the range of 20 to 30% kind of a range. But in during every years, you will always see about 5-10% kind of a correction. So correction is part of the game. Having an investment for a fairly long period of time, it is okay to invest at these high levels also. And I think from all-time highs, we should move to till date high. So I'll give you also an example. Then we are talking about Amrit Kal. What does Amrit Kal mean? Amrit Kal means that in next 25 years, India will become from a developing country to a developed economy. When India will become a developed economy, the total GDP of India would be somewhere around 20 to 30 trillion dollars. Today, it is hovering at around, say, touching almost about $4 trillion. The expectation is that by 2030, it may touch about 7, and by 2047, it is about, say, 25 to 30 trillion dollars. So if you just compound the GDP growth and then you realign the portfolio growth, then these are only till date highs. There are many highs which will come over a period of time in next 25 years also.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.